Hello students, let us continue our topic chemical properties of metals and non-metals. And next property is reaction with acid. Metals react with acid to form salt and hydrogen. Less reactive metals like copper, silver, gold, these metals are less reactive, so these do not react with acid. Depending upon their reactivities, all the metals do not react with acid at the same rate. Some metals react with acid explosively. Some metals react with acid rapidly on heating. But some metals react with dilute acid. Some metals do not react with acid, like copper, silver, and gold. Let us take an example of magnesium. It easily reacts with acid. I am taking the acid hydrochloric acid, HCl. What is this? Hydrochloric acid. Okay. By the reaction of metal with hydrochloric acid, you will get salt and hydrogen gas. Name of this salt? Magnesium chloride, MgCl. Magnesium chloride. Okay. You can take any other acid with magnesium. I have taken H2SO4. What is this? H2SO4? It is sulfuric acid. Magnesium also react with sulfuric acid. You will get salt which contains sulfate. Its formula is magnesium sulfate. It is a salt and hydrogen gas is also produced. You can take another metal, zinc. Zinc also react with hydrochloric acid. You will get salt. Its name is zinc chloride. Okay. With the salt, there will be the formation of hydrogen gas. Clear this topic? Metals react with acid. You will get salt and hydrogen. But some metals, I have already told to you, like copper, silver, gold, they do not produce hydrogen gas easily. Okay, these are less reactive metal. So, you know foodstuff which contain acid like citrus fruits, pickle, curd. We do not place these food items in metallic container. What is the reason? Because these citrus fruits, pickle or curd contain acid. Okay. So, acid easily react with metallic container. They will produce toxic salts. If we consume these food, we can fall sick. These are hazard to our health. Is it clear? In case of non-metals do not react with acid. Okay, there will be no reaction of non-metal with acid. Sulfur powder, charcoal powder do not react with acid. There will be no formation of hydrogen gas. Let us our last property, chemical property, reaction with base. Same case, metals also react with acid as well as base. You will get salt and hydrogen gas. There is one more example like aluminium. Aluminium is metal. It easily reacts with base NaOH. It is a base. Its name is sodium hydroxide. Okay. You will get salt. What is the name of this salt? Sodium aluminate. Be careful about its formula. Its formula is NaAlO2. What is its name? Sodium aluminate. This salt is formed by the reaction of aluminium with sodium hydroxide. By the reaction of metal with base, you will get salt plus hydrogen gas. In case of non-metal do not easily react with base. There will be no formation of hydrogen gas. Is that clear? We have discussed all the chemical properties of metals and non-metals.